Hello. This is Dr. Shri today. As a young practicing dentist, I would like to share my story. I think you are also in the same state of mind as I was few years back. I had passed out from a reputed college with distinction. After completing my internship, I had joined as an associate in a dental clinic near my home, but within few days, I got depressed as I was not given any clinical cases to operate. I was either managing some non-clinical jobs or handling some tiny clinical works. One day, upon my sincere request, the doctor gave me an anterior tooth RCT to operate, but to his dismay, I ended up in labial perforation during axis opening. The next day, he expelled me. At home, I was getting further disturbed by listening to all gibberish. Then one of my batchmates recommended me to join a clinical dentistry fellowship program where I get to do lot of clinical procedures on patients. Upon research, I found the AIAD, the Asian Institute of Advanced Dentistry, Hyderabad, as one of the best institute where there is tremendous flow of patients in its attached hospital, that is Area Dental Hospitals, Hyderabad, and it is the largest dental hospital in India with 35 dental chairs in a single location. Hence I joined here for a clinical dentistry fellowship, did lot of root canal cases, crown preparations, post-course, extractions, impactions, also learned lasers, all within a short period of time. Now with all the clinical hands-on I attained during my fellowship at AIAD, I am working in a corporate dental clinic in the morning and running my own clinic in the evening, and thus I feel a successful, satisfied dentist now. As a dentist friend, I am expecting you to be a successful dentist by taking wise decisions now. Wishing you all the best. Thank you.